The ketogenic, or keto, diet is a popular regimen known for its approach to effective weight management and potential health benefits. Central to the keto diet is its unique macronutrient distribution, high in fats, moderate in proteins, and notably low in carbohydrates. This arrangement helps the body to transition into a state of ketosis, where fat is predominantly used for energy instead of carbohydrates. By prioritizing fats and controlling protein intake, this diet aims to optimize fat metabolism and stabilize blood sugar levels, promoting overall health and sustained energy levels. In a keto diet, selecting the right fats and oils is crucial. Healthy fats like those found in coconut oil, olive oil, avocados, and butter not only enhance flavor but also boost nutritional value. These fats help the body maintain ketosis, a metabolic state where fats, rather than carbs, are burned for energy. It's vital to choose unprocessed oils, as they retain more natural nutrients and are free from additives that could disrupt ketosis. Incorporating these healthy fats into your diet ensures a steady energy supply and supports overall metabolic health. Protein is a critical component of the ketogenic diet, but caution is advised to prevent an excess that can lead out of ketosis. Ideal protein sources include grass-fed meats, which are higher in omega-3 fats, along with nutrient-rich seafood and eggs, which offer complete amino acid profiles. The key is moderation. Excessive protein consumption can trigger gluconeogenesis, where protein is converted into glucose, potentially disrupting the ketotic state vital for the diet's success. Balancing protein intake allows for optimal health benefits while maintaining the metabolic state of ketosis that characterizes an effective keto diet. On the ketogenic diet, incorporating the right vegetables and nuts is essential for nutritional balance while maintaining low carbohydrate intake. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are ideal for their low-carb profile and rich nutrient content, contributing essential vitamins and minerals without compromising the state of ketosis. Similarly, nuts and seeds such as almonds and chia seeds are excellent for snacking due to their healthy fats and protein, though their carb content requires careful portion control. These food items ensure variety and health benefits, supporting overall wellness on a ketogenic regime. Navigating the keto diet successfully involves not only knowing what to eat, but also what to avoid. High-carb foods like bread, pasta, sugary snacks, and many fruits can quickly disrupt the metabolic state of ketosis, which is central to the diet's effectiveness. It's equally important to be vigilant when reading food labels, as many products contain hidden sugars that can unknowingly increase carbohydrate intake. By avoiding these foods and becoming a discerning consumer, individuals on a ketogenic diet can maintain ketosis, ensuring optimal results from this low-carb, high-fat eating plan.